Here we have a longer set of exercises. We will see. We will attempt this. Meenakshi Shyam.
Ram sir. Amba Vishayam Nyatavati. Ambaya Vishayam Nyatam.
Suppose Vishaya is Pullinga.
Pullinga. Ambaya Vishayaha Nyatam.
Vishayaha
Nyatam.
Katham agachati. This is in which prayoga?
This is in Kartari prayoga.
It has a karma pada or it doesn't have a karma pada?
It has a karma pada.
Okay. It has to be converted to
Karmani.
Karmani. Karmani prayoga.
Ambaya Vishayam Nyatam. In every because it should be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Karmani Dvitiya, so it should be in Dvitiya Vibhakti in Kartari and Karmani. So it would be Ambaya Vishayam.
Do you have the table with you? Have you written the table?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In Karmani Prayoga, can you tell the Karma Padam should be in which Vibhakti?
The Karma Padam should be in...
See the table and tell.
In Karmani Prayoga, the Karma Padam should be in Prathama Vibhakti.
So what is the answer now?
Ambaya Vishayaha Nyatam. Ambaya
Vishayaha. Ambaya Vishayaha. Now the Karma Padam should the Kriya should follow the Karma Padam. Vishayaha is which linga, which vibhakti, which vachana?
It is in Pullinga. Vishayaha is in Pullinga Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
What? So now Nyata should follow Vishayaha or Amba?
It should follow Vishayaha. So it would become Amba Vishayaha Nyata. Ambaya Vishayaha Nyataha.
Now, so you should follow the steps. If you miss the steps, in your mind also, if you miss the steps, there is a greater chance that you will make errors. So don't skip the steps. Why don't you do the next sentence?
Okay, sir. Mallinathaha Mahakavyani Vyakhyatavan. Mallinathena Mahakavyani Vyakhyatani.
Next sentence.
Aham Gurun Dhyatavati. Maya Guravaha Dhyataha.
Uttamam.
Shri Krishnaha Bhaktan Tranavan. Shri Krishnena Bhaktaha Trataha. Tranaha.
Uttamam. Idanim samyak avagatam va Meenakshi Bhagini?
Sir.
Dhanyavadaha. Radhika Raghavan.
Namaste. Sa pushpani granavati taya pushpani gratani.
Beautiful.
Shishuhu kshiram pitavan. Shishuna kshiram pitam.
Uttamam.
Devi varan dattavati. Devya varaha dattaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Sarayu
Kannan.
Balikaha samyak gitavatyah. Balikabhihi samyak gitavatyah. I'm sorry, sir, I don't know how to convert that. Geetam.
So this is in which prayoga? Balikaha samyak gitavatyah.
It is akarmaka
Kartari.
So
it has to go to
Bhave prayoga.
Bhave is Napumsakalinga Ekavachana. That's all. So Balikabhihi
samyak Geetam.
That's all.
Geetam.
That's all.
Geetam.
Next one.
Vayam gruhe eva sthitavantah. Vayam asmabhihi गृहे एव स्थितम्।
उत्तमं, धन्यवादाः।
धन्यवादः सर।
नील शेट्टी।
राम राम सर।
राम राम।
नारी पाकार्थं शाकानि क्रीतवती। मध्य नार्या पाकार्थं शाकानि क्रीतम्।
नारी क्रीतवती इज सकर्मक कर्तरी या अकर्मक कर्तरी?
नारी क्रीतवती इज अकर्मक.
नारी किम क्रीतवती?
But you can answer, so it can be sakarmaka.
नारी किम क्रीतवती? शाकानि क्रीतवती. So it's a sakarmaka dhatu.
So then narya pakartham shakani kritani.
उत्तमं. Next.
पक्षिणः उच्चैः दयितवन्तः. So this is bhave prayoga to come. This kim dayitavanta is not possible.
Not possible.
पक्षिणः.
पक्षी पक्षिणौ पक्षिणः. पक्षिणं पक्षिणौ पक्षिणः. पक्षिणा पक्षिभ्यां पक्षिभिः.
पक्षिभिः उच्चैः दयितम्.
उत्तमं.
बालिका व्याकरणम् अधीतवती. बालिकाभिः व्याकरणं.
बालिका इज विचवचन.
बालिकया व्याकरणं अधीतम्.
बालिकया व्याकरणम् अधीतम्. उत्तमं.
सः पूजार्थं पुष्पाणि चितवान्. तेन पूजार्थं पुष्पाणि चितानि.
एक्सलेंट, धन्यवादाः।
धन्यवादाः।
सीताराम सुब्रमण्यम.
Sir, how it will become Chintavan? It will convert into Chintani, how, sir?
This is Tavatu Pratyanta. Tavatu Pratyanta in Kartari Prayoga. In Karmani Prayoga, it will become Tapratyanta. Tapratyanta Shabda is Chitaha, Chita, Chitam. Chitam, Chite, Chitani. Pushpani is Napumsakalinga, Bahuvachana. Chitam, Chite, Chitani is Napumsakalinga, Bahuvachana. Tapratyanta Shabda. The Kriya should follow Pushpani. So it is Pushpani, Chitani. Did you understand, Rohan?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You have to revise the Tapratyanta Kridanta chapter also for
Yes,
these
sir.
forms.
राम राम महोदय.
सीताराम महोदय.
विष्णुः आदिशेषस्योपरि शयितवान्. विष्णुना आदिशेषस्योपरि शयितम्.
उत्तमं.
भीमः गदाम् आनीतवान्. भीमेन भीमेन गदा आनीता.
धन्यवादाः.
धन्यवादः.
रघुकुमार एमसी.
नवम्यां कौसल्या रामं प्रसूतवती. नवम्यां कौसल्यया रामः प्रसूतः.
एक्सलेंट.
अग्रेपि वदनीयं वा?
वदतु वदतु महोदय.
धन्यवादः. तयोः कलहं श्रुतवान्. कलहं श्रुतं, कलहः श्रुतः. तयोः अहं विस्मृतवान् महोदय.
तयोः इस् षष्ठी विभक्ति द्विवचन.
तयोः कलहः श्रुतं.
कलहः श्रुतः.
कलहः श्रुतः.
कलहः. तत्र अहं किं श्रुतवान्?
कलहं श्रुतवान्.
तर्हि
मया तयोः मया तयोः कलहः श्रुतः. क्षम्यताम्.
चिन्ता नास्ति.
याजकः आज्येन हूतवान्. याजकेन आज्येन अहुतम्.
उत्तमं.
Sir, what is yajakah?
Yajakah, a person who performs sacrifice. Yajnakarta.
Ajyena?
Ajya is ghee.
By ghee.
Ghee. Oh. Ghee. Dhanyavadas.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
तद्वै आदर्श.
पीनसेन पीडितैः बालैः क्षुतम्.
What is the meaning of this sentence? Many people will not.
I think Pinasena is Piditaha is suffered. So Pinasena may be a disease.
Cold. It is cold. What is the Kshuta?
Suffered.
Suffered? No. Sneezed.
Okay.
Sneezing.
Okay, sir.
Pinasena piditaha balakaha kshutavantaha. The boys who
suffered from cold sneezed.
So the karmani prayoga is Pinasena piditaihi balakaihi kshutam. The answer is correct, but we should know the meaning also. Astu, dhanyavadaha. You can do the next sentence also.
Choraha arakshakan drishtva dhritavantah. Arakshakaha drishtva dhritaha.
So what is choraha will become what?
Choraha.
Choraihi.
Dhanyavadaha. Prashant Kumar.
Gopikabihi.
Ram. Gopikaha bhaktya krishnam nutavatyah. So sir, you have to convert to karmani prayoga. Gopikabhihi bhaktya krishnah.
Tapratayanta shabda. And which linga it should be now? Krishna.
So pullinga. Krishna.
Pullinga ekavachana. Nutaha.
So gopikabhihi bhaktya krishnah nutaha.
Agrima vakyam dvayamapi bhavane vadatu.
Sita Ramau Ganga Nadim Tirnavantau. So Sita Ramau Ganga Sita Ramabhyam Ganga Nadi Tirnau.
It should follow what? The kriya should follow what? Which word?
Ganga Nadi.
Ganga Nadi is which vachana?
Strilinga ekvachana.
So what should be the word now?
Tirne.
Tirna, that's all.
Sa bahuni abharanani dhritavati taya bahuni abharanani dhritam. Dhritani. Shishuhu nanakam girnavan. Shishuna so nanaka is pulling or napumsakalingam.
Nanakani nanakam napumsakalingam iti aham manyam.
Nanaka. Yes, it can napumsakalingam.
Ishuna nanakam girnam.
So what is girnam?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Swallowed.
Okay, sir.
The baby in the house swallowed the coin.
Okay, sir.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Srikantarya.
Ravanah Sitam Apritwan. Ravanena Sita Aprita.
Tamam.
Shall I continue, sir?
Please, sir.
Balah Kridan Kani Sarvatra Vikirnavan. Balena Kridan Kani Sarvatra will be
Avyaya. So it will not change.
So Balena Kridan Kani Sarvatra Vikirnani.
Uttama. What is the meaning of Vikirnani?
Bought.
That is Kri. Vikirna is scattered. Kridanakani. So you see the children scattering. They take the toys and they will scatter in the house and put everywhere. No, things everywhere. Putting things everywhere. Just scattering things everywhere. That is Vikirna.
Okay.
So Kridanakani is toys. Uttamam. Next sentence.
Aham karyam samyak kritavati. Maya karya samyak kritah.
Karyani you can take. Karyaha is also there. Karyam is also there.
So I took it as pulling, so
Correct.
it is
No problem.
Napunsakling. Okay, sir.
Dhanyawad.
Karyam kritam.
Next, Usha Chandrasekharan. Usha Chandrasekharan.
अन्म्यूट् कर्तुं न शक्तवती अतः विलम्बेन बालैः पाठं पठितं
पाठः पठितः पाठं
बालैः
विलिखं पाठः
पाठः पठितः बालैः पाठः पठितः हनुमान् समुद्रं लङ्घितवान् हनुमया समुद्रं
Hanuman is like Dhiman. So Dhimata, Hanumata.
Hanumata Samudram Langitam.
Samudraha Langitaha.
Samudraha Langitaha.
Next one.
Balikaha Kriditavadyaha. Balikabihi Kriditam.
Uttavam.
Vayam Ramayanam Nadittavantaha. Vayam Ramayanam Nadittavantaha. Asmabihi Ramayanam Nadittam.
Dhanyavadaha. Soumya Madhusudan. Do you want to take a try? Soumya.
Ram sir. Sa Uchchaihi Hasitavati. Taya Uchchaihi Hasitam.
Uttamam. Very good.
Thank you.
Next one also, please.
Okay. Lavakushau Valmikim Vanditavantau. Okay. Lavakushabhyam Valmikim Vanditavantam.
Valmiki will become, Kim is Ditya Vibhakti. It has to change to Prathama now.
Prathama Vibhakti. Valmiki, just Valmiki.
Just Valmiki will not be there. Visarga will be there, no? Valmikihi, Harihi.
Okay.
Valmikihi is like Harihi. So,
Okay.
Lavakushabhyam Valmikihi.
Lavakushabhyam, okay.
Now the last word you can tell.
Lavakushabhyam Valmikihi Vanditavantaha.
The word, the Kriya Pada that we have to introduce in the last should follow which word?
Valmiki.
Valmiki. Valmiki is Pullinga Ekavachana. So, Prathama Vibhakti. Now, this Vandita Vantau is Tavatu Pratyaya. We want to do Ta Pratyaya, just like Hasitam, Natitam, Kriditam, like that. Now, and it should be Pullinga now. So, can you make a guess? Now, Patitavantaha has become Patitaha, like that.
Vanditaha. Okay.
That's all.
Okay.
That is the answer. Lavakushabhyam Valmikihi Vanditaha. Uttamam.
Okay.
Dhanyavad. So this finishes the Prayoga Kridanta chapter that I wanted to cover, and the main topic also the Prayoga. We have done sufficient number of exercises. Even if you take average 6 sentences in one slide, 36 sentences in the class, plus about 10 sentences before. So about 50 sentences we have tried to attempt in the class itself. So which is a good number for any lesson, and which is a good number for anybody to get a strong hold on the concepts. Now, Prayoga is an interesting chapter. It is a chapter where people always have the fear. Okay, definitely I'm going to make mistake. That is the negative feeling with which they start the conversion. This is the experience I have, having faced or having taught students, lot of students in my career. At least face to face, I have taught more than 2,000 students. So I have experienced these, the difficulties of these students. So they always, the moment you give them a Prayoga sentence, they will say, sir, this is not possible. This is difficult. We have to apply our brain. We have to do a lot of things. That is why that resistance is there, thinking that it is difficult. Now, the only suggestion I have for all of you is to go through these slides and videos once again, whenever you get a chance. Master the Shabdas, master the Dhatus, and you make use of the table while converting the sentences. Make sure all the process runs in your mind and your brain, and Actually, this Prayoga conversion is a brain gym. We can call this as a brain gym. It gives you that much of exercise to your brain, as somebody pointed out in the last class.